Good morning. What time is it? Oh no, it's already 7. I really don't want to get up today. But okay, let's start the day. First, I need to brush my teeth. My hair looks crazy this morning. Maybe I should brush it later. The water is so cold. Okay, now I feel more awake. What should I wear today? Maybe this yellow shirt. Yes, I like this one. All right, time for breakfast. I'm really hungry. Let's see what we have. Eggs? Perfect. And some toast. Breakfast is the best part of the morning. This smells good. I love eggs in the morning. And milk, too. Okay, that was a good breakfast. Now I feel much better. Let me clean this quickly. All right, now I need my backpack. Books, check. Pencil, check. Everything is ready. Time to go! Oh, the weather looks nice today. The sky is so blue. I think today is going to be a good day. Okay, let's go to school.